Welcome to River and Sky Travel.
Looking for an outstanding travel experience? We're here to make your dream vacation a reality. Our commitment is to provide you with affordable rates, full insurance coverage, easy booking, 24/7 customer support, our services, chauffeur services, city sightseeing tours, luxury car and bus rentals, hotel booking, airline group tickets, holiday packages, golf holiday packages, desert safari, Dow cruise, yacht charter, theme park entry ticket, UAE visit visa, heli tour. Don't miss out on the adventure of a lifetime. Discover quality services and unforgettable memories with River and Sky Travel. Your adventure begins here. Call us today to start planning your next journey with River and Sky Travel.